when I am feeling nervous. When I am feeling nervous, I feel like my tummy is turning around and around, and I am going to be sick. When I am feeling nervous, my body feels shaky and jittery and uncomfortable. My heart beats really fast and my breathing is fast and shallow. I get really hot, then really cold, and then sometimes I start to sweat. When I am feeling nervous, I want to run and hide behind Mom. I cling on to her neck, and I want her to stop the things that make me nervous and make the worry go away. Everyone feels nervous sometimes, even grown-ups. Something that makes me feel really nervous and worried are having to do or say something in front of others, or going to a sleepover, even at my best friend's house. Don't want to. Or trying new things like swimming lessons. Nervous means feeling really worried about something. Sometimes I worry that something bad will happen or that I won't do a good job at something or I won't be able to copy by myself when I am trying something new or that I am just not good enough. It's okay to feel nervous. Sometimes feeling a little bit nervous can be a very good thing. It can help my brain and my body feel more awake and early with more energy so that I can react to things faster or help me do my very best. When I am feeling nervous, I try to remember to do the things that help calm my body and mean like talking big, deep, slow breaths right down into my belly in 1, 2, 3, 4 out 1, 2, 3, 4. Or talking to someone can help things not seem such a big worry anymore. Or I image myself copying really well with feeling nervous and say to myself that I am going to be okay and that the nervous feelings will eventually go away. Feeling nervous is uncomfortable and makes me not want to do something. But if I at least try and feel okay, then the next time I have to do the same thing, I may not feel so nervous, and then the next time I might even really enjoy it. Then the next time I might even look forward to it. Then the next time I might even wonder why I felt so nervous at all. You were a good swimmer.